Oh my goodness, is it so gorgeous here? It's warm and I can smell the flowers everywhere. This is just bringing to mind that Valentine's Day is just right around the corner. And there are so many plants that you can choose from. Well, we know that everyone likes to order cut flowers, and that is wonderful, but why not consider ordering a live plant that your partner can plant and pull from all times of year? Additionally, these are a bunch of good plants that can be used as cut flowers. Now, seeds are a good way to go, and I pulled a selection here of great cut flowers. We've got sunflowers, zinnias make wonderful cut flowers, some of the best in the summer. Bachelor buttons, also blanket flower, and these are sweet williams. Now, some plants that you can buy in containers are, of course, roses. Why not buy a rose like this one here for your family so that they can cut flowers all year round? And then paper whites are a great winter, late winter, early spring bloomer that are just fragrant and gorgeous. These are bulbs. Also cyclamens. Look at these beautiful pink flowers that we have here. You can have flowers in your home year round. This blue delphinium, Gerbera daisies. Now we want to select plants that have a single stalk and flower. Very tall stems make great flowers, and some good examples are foxglove. Now these are more cold winter type plants, but they can be grown now. Of course, our dianthus, the Amazon and the Jolt dianthus that are both Louisiana super plants. Snapdragons, they're great in the wintertime into the spring, and all of these different selections just make a great gift for your loved one for Valentine's Day. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.